Okay, welcome. Welcome to a brand new trading day. So let's see what we got for today. Yesterday, we were looking for buys on the break of this high and sells on the break of the last buyers. Okay, we were looking for sales on the break of this last buyers, which will be scenario 2. As at yesterday, scenario 2 was the counter trend. Then scenario 1 was trading in the direction of the buyers of the day. Okay, so I waited to get a bullish breach above here. I anticipated price to rally from somewhere around here. I looked at the market structure from a lower time frame, but I noticed that around London Open, price wanted to like give me some middle finger. So I was like, nah, baby, you can't do that to me today. It's just Monday. Okay, so in the direction of the trend, it was the bulls were shy. So I waited. Once the London pressure came, I discovered that the volume was high. So all I needed to do was either two methods, one of two. I could put my sell stop pending order below this structure, then hold it. I'm very sure that even if my stop loss is here, it's going to give me my 1 hour. That is certain because the same thing occurred somewhere here. Okay, so what I needed to do was wait for some deep retracement after taking out this guy. So it gave me my set 1, came deeper, set 2. If you check inside of here in the lower time frame, you're going to see test 1 and test 2. Then on the break of the counter trend bias was where my sell got activated and it continued. Okay. In fact, let's go to the live chart. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And I'm sure this was going to continue dipping. Certainly. I'm just going to give you a little more today. Um, this was it. This area. So if you come to, you have to use, I think the 3 minutes will give you. We've never gone this deep. I don't normally do it on the videos I upload because it's going to make it a little tough for those who are watching. First of all, on the 15 minutes time frame, let us get the deeper retracement on the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, this, look at it here. So this is the guy who started this move up. Okay. So if we look at it this way, that this is the last bias here. If we look at it this way, that this is the last bias that's gone up, giving us a new high. We say, okay, let's move our gauge to this guy. If you draw your trend line, which I don't normally use here, you say, okay, this is the last bias. You drop down to the 3 minutes time frame. Okay. On the 3 minutes time frame, look at what we're looking at here. Remember, this was the last buyer going up. So if you look at it closely, you will see how price kept going up like this, then making a new high. If I were to be taking, like I normally do this before, I could take my sales here or even here, because if you take it here, this is a confident level, because as you can see, once it broke, it came for retracement. This will give you, I keep refining my strategy. I keep refining it. The way I trade now is not going to be the way I would trade, let's say, in the next 1 month or in 1 month's time, because you keep getting better at what you do. So this is the guy who bearishly took out this bias. So what I wanted to do now was to wait for what? Test one, test two. On the break of the guy who started the test two was where I will anticipate my sales. Now, this is what I'm revealing right now is solely for my um students, but if you get to watch this, okay, good for you. If you don't understand it, then I think it's time you enrolled so that you learn with the big boys. Okay, you get a better understanding of how the market flows. Okay, I got to be a little fast today because Price is trying to give me what I want. I don't want to be explaining while I'm supposed to be also doing taking some money out of the table. So I'm looking for sales on the break of this low to continue down to mirror. This is my overall TP. Then I'll be looking for buys above here. So two things can happen. We could get some deeper retracement. So this would be scenario 1B, or we could just get a dip, just continue going down. This is scenario 1A. So this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Okay, let's see what gold will do. Well, for gold, I just want to stay out of it right now. Okay, nothing at all, just staying out of it. I could say, okay, let's take some trades on it, but I just want to stay out of it. I don't really like what I'm seeing. Okay, so let's leave gold for now. And by the way, if you've not subscribed, hit that notification button. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, okay? Then for Bitcoin, you have to watch the forecast for yesterday so that you understand what I explained here. Okay, watch the forecast for yesterday, then come back today and see what price is doing. For Bitcoin, what I'm looking out for is scenario 1A is for price to continue dipping. This is scenario 1A. Scenario 1B is for price to give me some deep retracement. Okay, this is scenario 1B for price to give me some deep retracement. While scenario 2 is for price to take out this guy who started the sales in order to do what? This scenario 2 to go in the opposite direction. So this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin today. And if you've not subscribed, hit that notification button. Go ahead. Then don't forget to comment. Tell me some appreciative words or some things you want me to work on. Then the last but not the least, like the video. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for spending moments of your life learning to aim. Bye for now. Cheers.